Hi, my name is Todd Musgrave and I'm Director of Cameras at Marshall Electronics. Here we're showing our new miniature POV cameras. The 566, which is a new Genlock camera with a Sony 1/3 inch sensor, remote adjustable like our other POV cameras, miniature lenses that are interchangeable so you can select the lens that's perfect for your application. The 568 is a new global shutter version that has a 1/1.8 inch, our largest sensor in the POV camera line with global shutter. So if you have fast-paced action or race cars or things moving fast-paced in the shot, a global shutter will be a better handle that motion blur or the anomalies you get with motion capture. We're also showing ND filters for our 503 WP weatherproof cameras. So now when you're out at a stadium with bright light and the sunlight affecting your perspectives, the ND filters come in handy. Also in the slightly larger size, our CV366 and CV368, again match the step up of the 566 and 568, one with the new Sony sensor, one with a new Sony global shutter sensor. All of our miniature POV cameras can be remote adjustable from our RCP or camera control software, or we provide Sony VISCA commands to control them VISCA over RS-485 if you want to integrate them in your platforms.